ladies and gentlemen, most of all kids who are following us. We welcome you to this show of story time. Hey, it's kids time. Come on. Okay, you stop that. Please stop playing. We're going to sing a song. You love singing?
Yes.
Which songs do you know?
Twinkle.
Twinkle, really? Let's some of you guys sing for us, right? We pick some to sing for us. This one should sing for us, right? Okay, you can stand up and sing for us. Okay, you start.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, another one? Do you know another one?
Yes.
Which one?
Baba Black Sheep.
Baba Black Sheep. That was wonderful. Okay, you can start and sing for us that one.
Baba Black Sheep, have you any wood? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the den, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Thank you, sir, the master. Thank you, sir, the den. Thank you, sir, the little boy who lives down the lane.
Wow, that was wonderful. We clap hands for them. That was great, right?
Yes.
Let them sing for us another one. Do you want to sing for us?
Yes.
Which one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, go ahead and sing for us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught the fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. This little finger on my right.
Wow, we clap hands for them. That was wonderful. You can have a seat. So now we are going to do our story time as usual. So we can sit properly and I read for you, right? Are you ready?
Yes.
Hello everyone.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
We are all right.
So today, you remember our usual routine? I usually read for you guys, and I ask you questions, blah blah blah, such stuff, right? But today it's going to be a different thing. You're going to read for me, right? Are you ready?
Yes.
You ready to read for me?
Yes.
Who is going to go first? Who wants to read? Chanel, who start with you?
The Hungry Mouse. A mouse was having a very bad time. She could find no food at all. She looked here and there, but there was no food, and she grew very thin. She grew very thin. At last, the mouse found a basket full of corn. There was a small hole in the basket, and she crept in. She could just get through the hole. Then she began to eat the corn. Being very hungry, she ate a great deal and went on eating and eating. She had grown very fat before she felt that she had had enough. When the mouse tried to climb out of the basket. She could not. She was too fat to pass. When the mouse tried to climb out of the climb out of the basket, she could not
To climb.
climb.
Okay, step. When the mouse.
When the mouse tried to climb out of the basket, she could not.
Okay, stop there. Another person? Anybody else? Clancy?
How shall I climb out? Said the mouse. Oh, how shall I climb out? Just then a rat came along, and he heard the mouse. Mouse, said the rat, if you want to climb out of the basket, you must wait till you have grown as thin as you were when you went in.
That's so wonderful. You all heard the story?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Yes.
Okay, so who can tell me anything that they heard from the story? Like anything small, like a short summary or something? For those?
The mouse was having a bad time because it couldn't find any food. Later, it found a basket full of corn, and it started eating till it couldn't get out. It couldn't get out because it had grown fat.
That was wonderful. Thank you so much. We clap hands for her. That was so great. You all heard the story? You all know the summary?
Yes.
We can go with the questions. Are you ready to ask questions?
Yes.
If you answer questions, trust me, I will reward you, right? Who is ready for a sweet, a biscuit, or something? Who is ready? Who is ready to answer to get all those? You all ready?
Yes.
Okay. As usual, the first question is the title of the story. Who can tell me the title of the story? Vivi?
The Hungry Mouse.
That was wonderful. The title of the story is The Hungry Mouse. So, who can tell me the difference between a rat and a mouse? Kesia?
A rat is big with small ears, while a mouse is small with big ears.
Wow, that's great. We clap hands for her. That was wonderful. So, have you ever seen rats?
Yes.
Where do we see rats?
At home.
We get rats at home or in the bushes, like anywhere that rats could reach. Alright?
Yes.
Alright?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going for the second question. Who is ready to answer? You all ready?
Yes.
Okay. Another question is, why was the mouse having a bad time? Why was the mouse having a bad time? John, you can answer it.
The mouse was having a bad time because she couldn't find any food.
The mouse was having a bad time because it had no food to eat. Okay, you all have bad times when you're hungry, right? Do you feel happy when you're hungry? No. Of course not. You feel sad. Okay, even the mouse was having a bad time. Okay. So next for the questions will be, where did the mouse pass through going to eat the corn? Okay, sign.
The mouse passed in the wall of the basket, going to eat the corn.
That was wonderful. You all remember about the story? The basket had a hole, a small hole where the mouse passed through to go and eat the corn. Okay?
Yes.
We're going to the last question, which will be the lesson you learned from the story. Which lesson did you learn from the story? My boys?
I learned not to be greedy like the mouse.
Thank you. He learned not to be greedy like the mouse. That was wonderful of you. If you've answered any question, you're going to get your rewards after everything here. Come to me after the session, then I'll give you all your rewards. Okay? Are you all right?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yes. Let's cook.
Do you like it?
Yes. Just cook it.
Ngiriho bakoze ikiganiro Just Cook It. Uko bisanzwe ikindi dukurikira ubutetsi butandukanye. Uno munsi tugiye kubatekera indyo nziza, indyo ifite ubuhanga, indyo ikoranye isuku, indyo nziza cyane. Iyo ndyo nta yindi yitwa spaghetti bolognese. Spaghetti bolognese rero ikunzwe n'abantu benshi ku isi, abana, abantu bakuru. Ntucikwe kugira ngo ubashe kugira ngo uzitegwe nawe indyo yitwa spaghetti bolognese. Spaghetti bolognese nkuko nabibabwiye ni indyo igiye gutekwa n'abana mubona hano imbere yanjye. Murabona ko ari abana bato, ari abana batashobora guteka iyo ndyo. Iyo ndyo iboneka cyane cyane mu bindi bihugu, ariko n'ahangaha mu Rwanda dushobora kuba twayitekera no mu mahoteli hose wagenda ukayasanga, kugira ngo nawe uzabashe kuyitekera. Ntucike ubashe kugira ngo ukurikire kino kiganiro cya Just Cook It. Nta wundi uri kumwe ni Ishimwe Vanessa. Ikibazo cyose uri bwagire ndakubariza. Reka dutangire batubwira amazina yabo nuko bitwa.
Njyewe nitwa Byiringiro Fabrice.
Amazina yanjye ngewe nigira amata Hussein.
Murabizi ko iyo umuntu agiye guteka abanza agakaraba intoki n'amazi meza n'isabune, kandi murabizi ko isuku ari isoko y'ubuzima.
Nk'uko mubona hano dufite inyama zacu ziseye, inyanya, karoti, igitunguru, pavuro, seleri, tungurusumu n'ibindi byose muri kubona hano na spaghetti. Nk'uko mubona hano dufite amavuta yacu yitwa olive oil tugiye gushyira mu isafuriya yacu, ariko mbere yuko dushyira mu isafuriya yacu turabanza twatse ishyiga ryacu. Ndashyiramo ibiyiko bibiri yaka ariko ari byo bihagije. Shyizemo ibiyiko bibiri by'amavuta. Muzi ko yuko amavuta menshi mu mubiri atari meza cyane. Uko mubona hano nashyizeho amavuta yanjye, mbaye ntegereje yuko abanza agacamuka, ariko mu gihe ntegereje ko acamuka ndabanza mbe negereje inyama zanjye.
Ndabona urimo urakoresha inyama ziseye. Ese umuntu ufite inyama zidaseye ntabwo yabasha guteka spaghetti bolognese yewe neza?
Impamvu dukoresha inyama ziseye ni uko spaghetti bolognese bayikoresha inyama ziseye. Amavuta yacu yamaze gucamuka, ngiye gushyiramo inyama zanjye. ngiye gupfundikira inyama zanjye kugira ngo zishye vuba mbone uburyo nshyiramo ibirungo.
Ndabona uri gukata amashu. Ese amashu wabuza kuyavanga n'ira spaghetti bolognese yawe? Dusobanure neza kugira ngo n'abakurikiye televiziyo babashe kugira ngo bumve n'abazabashe kugira ngo bategure iyi ndyo nziza mbona ahangaha.
Ano mashu ndi gukata ndi kugira ngo mbashe kuyakoresha salade kugira ngo n'ubasha kurya iriya spaghetti bolognese ashobore kuryohera.
Nkuko mubona mfite akamamiro kanjye ngiye kuvanga inyama zanjye kugira ngo hadashya uruhande rumwe urundi rushye. Reka mpfundikire iminota 5 kugira ngo ntegereze ko inyama zanjye zongera zigashya. Mu gihe ntegereje ko inyama zanjye zongera zigashya, reka mbere ngiye guteka amakaroni kugira ngo ibiryo byacu bize guhira igihe vuba vuba. Ndongera agaruke ndebe inyama zanjye uburyo zifashe. Ndabona inyama zanjye zikwiriye kujyamo ibindi bintu. Nabona karoti zishyiramo. Nkapfundikira nyuma y'iminota 5 nkaza kureba uburyo ibiryo byanjye nabisize bimeze.
Bana mukurikiye televiziyo murabona ko iyi ndyo ari indyo nziza, nanjye wahageze umuhumuro wanyishe. Ni abana bakora ibintu bazi, ni abana bafite ubuhanga buhanitse, ni abana bazi gutegura indyo nk'iyi ngiyi iryoheye abantu. Ni indyo ifite umuhumuro mwiza, ni indyo itekanye ubuhanga, ntabwo nabasha kugira ngo mbikubwire. Wowe ukurikiye televiziyo yawe ntuhaguruke umunota ku munota, isaha ku isaha ukurikire iyi ndyo yitwa spaghetti bolognese kugira ngo nawe uzabashe kugira ngo witegurire iyi ndyo.
Nkuko mubona hano inyama zacu zimaze gushya, ngiye gushyiramo noneho ibikiraho kugira ngo bibashe gushya vuba. Ahangaha nshyizemo ibitunguru, ni igitunguru kimwe, nshyizemo pavuro imwe. Ndabanza nabyo bisandaza ahantu hose mpite mpfundikira. Nkuko mubona namaze gushyiramo ibitunguru, ngiye kuba nshyizemo amakaroni kubera ko yuko hano hari amazi nigeze gushyiraho yamaze kuba ready. Ngiye gushyiramo amakaroni, ariko amakaroni sinayacimbagura, nyacimbaguye ntago ibiryo byacu byaribwa neza. igikorwa ndi gukora ndi gushyiramo umunyu. Murabizi ko ibiryo bidatekanye umunyu bitaryoha. So nyuma yo gushyiramo umunyu ugiye kureba inyama zanjye. Nyuma y'iminota 3 ndaza nongere nshyiremo umunyu ndebe n'uburyo ibiryo byanyasize ko byifashe uko bimeze. Nanone ndaza kureba spaghetti zanjye uburyo zimeze. Haza nkashyiramo pilau masala. Murabizi ko yuko nishyiramo kano kantu bwatume ibiryo byacu bihumura bikagira n'irangi ryiza. Kari powder ituma yunganira pilau masala nashyizemo amaha, bigatuma biryoha binahumura. Haza nkahita mbivanga. None ndaza kureba inyama zanjye. Murabizi ko yuko hano nashyizemo ibirungo byinshi kandi ibirungo bigira umunyu, niyo mpamvu ngiye gushyiramo amagi. Murabizi ko yuko n'amagi nayo igira umunyu. Ntabwo nashyiramo umunyu, nshyizemo umunyu byahita bisharira cyane. Nkahita mbivanga. Yongera nkabipfundikira.
Aha hari umuhumuro mwiza. Aha hari abana bazi guteka, nanjye byanangaje. Hari umuhumuro mwiza. Nawe uhari wakwifuza kurya kuri ibiryo watetse, ntujye kure, uri kumwe nanjye Vanessa.
Ndaza nanone nkareba inyama zanjye ko nazisize zimeze. Urabona yuko seleri na tungurusumu nashyizemo bimaze gushya. Ngiye kuza shyiramo salisa na beef masala na onje. inyama zanjye noneho nkategereza iminota 3 nkategereza ko bibanza bigashya, ariko mbere y'ibyo ngibyo ndabanza nkareba n'amakaroni yanjye ko nayasize, nayo nkongera nkayapfundikira iminota 3 byose nkategereza ko bihira icyarimwe. Ubu nta kindi twarangije, ubu tugiye kwarura.
Ubu birahiye?
Yego.
Bantu mukurikiye televiziyo murabona ko ibiryo twari dutegereje bimaze gushya. Tugiye komeza turebe uko ibiryo byabo bagiye gukomeza babitegura. Bakoze ikiganiro Just Cook It, nkuko bisanzwe kino kiganiro dukurikiye ubutetsi butandukanye. Ibiryo murabona ko ibiryo twari dutegereje kwese, murabona ko ari ibiryo bisohotse ari byiza, murabona ko ari ibiryo bisohotse biteye amashyushyu. Nanjye ngiye kubona wumvira kumve ko ibi biryo rwose ari ibiryo byiza, kugira ngo nawe nubyitekera uzabuzi uburyohe bwawe.
Wow. Do you like it?
Yes.
Just cook it.